my channel The Right Direction. Now I am going to teach about the business letter. What is business letter? Is it so easy that what a business letter really is? Basically, business letter deals with orders, placing orders or complaints or inquiries. These are the things which we can find in the business letters. First is placing orders. Suppose you want to create an organization or want to create an office, want to construct a library or laboratory. For this purpose, you want certain commodities. For this, you can place the orders. Then second is your business complaints. Then what is the complaints? When someone is sending, some agencies, some organization is sending to you or your institute the commodities which were found difficulties or maybe not in a proper order or maybe it is not in a proper condition. So in that case, you will make a complaint about the replacement. Then letters of inquiry asking for information. Suppose you have sent all these things about order, about money, about anything you have sent to that organization, that company, that associates, that retailers. So in that case, if you are not getting any proper situation, proper solution, proper things, proper message, so in that case what will happen? You will ask for information about the commodity which you want to receive. Then letter sending replies against orders, inquiries, cancelling orders. Suppose you want to cancel the order, so in that case you also send a letter that I do not want your commodity. For this purpose, I want to cancel the orders, whatever given by me. Then replying for inquiries. That means you always ask for the inquiries so that you can get the information. Okay, following the example, follow this example in which way we are giving a clear-cut analysis or clarify your doubts relating to the placing of orders. This follow this example, and one is you are in charge of a Royal College, Noida. You want various items of books for your college. Write a letter to the Agarwal distributor. That means that is the particular distributor who is distributing or placing or taking the orders from any institution to provide the books. Agarwal distributor, New Delhi, placing order for books, ask for discount available the purchase. Definitely everybody wants a discount because the institution will not provide such amount of money, the particular for this purpose they need discount, and in which you will write the application. Then Royal College, Noida, then date, then the sales manager who is going to sell the books to you. The sales manager, Messrs. Agarwal distributor, New Delhi. Then you will placing order for items of books. You will place the order. Then dear sir, we require various items of books for the college. That means that though you know that it is a college, they definitely need various numbers of items of books for their college. Of the quotations, what is quotations? That means quotation is a order which 3 or 4 companies their order should be analyzed and which is the lowest and who will provide the same amount of instrument with the less amount of money, same amount of commodity with less amount of money, then that must be considered. So all the quotations were invited for this purpose. You are the lowest, as it is mentioned, you are the lowest. We have decided to place a bulk, a huge number of orders, more and more numbers of bulk orders for various items of books. We agree 10%, a 10% discount that you are offering to the purchase, but we would expect also definitely they are a regular customer, they were wanting maximum percent of a discount, additional 5% of the purchase, but purchase discount that is actually to the institutional buyers. So the details of the items are furnished below. So these are the things, the particulars. That means you are placing the orders to that Agarwal distributor. That means serial number 1 from this side 1, 2, 3, 4 like वगैरह you should mention. Then particulars English, physics, chemistry, mathematics such you should mention. Then numbers. How much numbers or the quantity should be mentioned. Then you should close the letter in which way? All these items reach in proper shape and size. So all these items should reach in proper shape and size before 20th October of the start of the new session. So yours faithfully, finally we end the letter. Yours faithfully, Rajesh Mathur, library in charge, Royal College. You can write down. Okay, that's so. Thank you all of you. Please subscribe and share and like the button of my channel, The Right Direction.